Welcome to the podcast. This is Talking eBay, and today I want to just give you some feedback and a little bit of information who we are. So we've been selling on eBay since 1999, and how did it all start for us? It all started because my daughter picked up some Beanie Babies, which we didn't understand what they even were, and she kept on buying all these Beanie Babies, and I said, what are you going to do with all these things? She goes, I don't know. So eventually we ended up just getting it more involved and trying to sell them. A friend of mine told me about it on eBay. I said, what's in eBay? And pretty much the rest is history. We've been selling on this since 1999. We went through the Beanie Baby craze, the Pokemon craze, and every other craze in between since 1999. So eBay is becoming a really good little business for us. And this podcast is designed to teach you and give you information and go down that journey with me. So this is all about learning, educating, what's going on, what's new. We're going to talk about what's good, what's bad, and we're going to have a conversation, special guests, and so on. So that's what this is all about. Also, I do have a YouTube channel called Talking eBay. So if you want to see some tutorials and learn more about eBay, definitely tune into that and you'll be able to see everything that's linked in down below. So again, we have Talking eBay on podcast, and we also have a Talking eBay YouTube channel to help you and educate you so you can see different things that we do produce to help you down your journey to sell on eBay. So that's what this podcast is all about. Just want to make a quick introduction and tell you who we are. My wife and I, like I said, we've been selling on eBay since 1999 and is definitely enjoying it. So if you're nervous and you're not sure how to do it and how to start out, this is the podcast for you. Like I said, we're going to have special guests. We're going to do live remotes. eBay Open is coming up 2023. Yes, that's coming up very, very, very soon. That's going to be online. Usually it's in Las Vegas. So hopefully next year we're going to get back to reality and start doing some live stuff in Las Vegas back to eBay. So that'll be, we'll do that as well. So we're doing live podcasts from there, live broadcasting on the YouTube channel, and so on. So definitely follow along, and I hope you enjoyed the journey. I'd love to have you with us. Thanks for tuning in to Talking eBay, the podcast.